What's up? I'm Real Deal. Welcome back to another episode of Freestyle Friday. What we do here, I make a beat, then I freestyle 16 bars, and then I freestyle another 16 bars. And if I'm really up for humiliating myself, then I'll drop another 16 bars. At the end of the day, the object of the game is to get better at freestyling my flow and just coming up with nice little drops of bars. So the other night I couldn't sleep, and when I can't sleep, I do two things. I make music, or I play video games. I did both that night. I didn't record any of it because my phone was at 11% battery. Anyways, so I found a sample, and this is what the sample sounds like. Chopped it up, put it in simpler, and then this is what the sample sounds like now. And I got a drum loop, sampled that, and then this is what the drums sound like. Real. And then sometimes I just spark creativity, and I just grabbed a bass sample. I grabbed the part I liked, and it just sounds like this. You can't even hear it. Let me put it up. I got that shit low as fuck. Part I like the most is the because it reminds me of Nas's. It reminds me of Nas's "Made You Look." Hip hop, hip hop, hip hop. Anyways, so we got the beat unlocked. It's time to drop some bars. 16 bars. Just finished getting waxed, my little man stash. On my way to put gas in the car, and I get something to eat, probably McDonald's. Today I was running errands, and I was like, I don't know what I want to eat. I was like, I'm not gonna sit here and drive around all day. I got shit to do. I gotta get back in the studio. So I was like, let me just get a Big Mac. So I got a Big Mac. Cheers. Never fails. I made my lettuce in, veggies. I think for my first topic, for my first 16 bars, I'm gonna do the events of this week, what's happened this week so far, just like a recap of this week, because some things did happen. So let's see. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. I am one with the Force, and the Force is with me. Here we go. Real, Freestyle Friday, let's go. Freestyle Friday, number 8, let's get it. It's Friday, make some noise. R.I.P. to the Beastie Boys. Just kidding, I meant the Beach Boys. Brian Wilson, R.I.P. dude, make some noise. He was the voice of the legend. He was a voice, got rest in heaven. We lost Ananda Lewis, and we just couldn't do it. Luigi got sick, had to take him to the vet. I swear life is hard when you have just a pet. Having a pet, it's like having a kid. The shit that they get into. Grandma's doing okay. Evelyn's doing okay. She got sick last week while we were on the cruise. I thought she drank too much booze. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Very, very mellow. But I think I got caught up in the part about Brian Wilson from the Beach Boys. Brian Wilson, the founder of the Beach Boys, he passed away, R.I.P. I am a huge fan of the Beach Boys. I saw them perform back in 2010, 2011, I believe, 2010, 2011. They did a concert series at Universal, and we saw the Beach Boys perform with Uncle Jesse, aka John Stamos. And it was fun. It was so much fun. I'm a huge fan of the Beach Boys. Every time I think about the Beach Boys, I think of that part in Rush Hour where Jackie Chan's like, the Beach Boys, good American music. And then Luigi. Luigi's a little wiener dog. And unfortunately, his thoracics, whatever that means, they got inflamed. So, basically everything was pressed up, and he was having a hard time. And he was, struggling. And, it's like having a kid, because you notice something's off. And he has no idea because he don't care. He's just living his life. And we're like, buddy, you need rest. And then he gets upset because he can't play. But I'm just like, dude, you need rest. You can get better. For these next 16 bars, let's talk about how I've been 36 for 2 weeks. 36. Holy shit. Real, let's get it. Freestyle Friday, yo. Hey, Freestyle Friday number 8. Let's go. Who the fuck is this? Just turned 36. Used to be a little kid. Now I'm wiser, knees weaker. Daytime sleeper. Real. Naps in the shower, naps on the couch, naps in the car route to your mom's house. Real, yeah. Rather stay at home than go to the bar. Rather go trips than car. I'm done chasing paper, done chasing the check. Till my last breath. Okay. Sometimes it feels like I have the first part of the bar, and then I can't come up with the word that rhymes with the next bar, and then that's where I freeze up. And then this time around, I had like clips of it, but I didn't have the whole story. So I feel like I'm getting there. You know what I'm saying? That one sounded a little better, sounded a little more put together. Let's do another one. Talk about Father's Day. So let's talk about my dad. All right, I had to clear up some storage. I ran out of space on my phone. Not surprised. I record almost like every day. Real, Freestyle Friday. Let's get it. Real, give me 16 bars, count me in, let's go. Why you so funny? Why you so cocky? Bitch don't hate me, cause I get it from my poppy. Happy Father's Day, bruh. You know you got me slipping. You know you inspired me to cook up in the kitchen, cause you taught me about hustle. You taught me about work. You taught me about giving myself what I deserve. No one else can do it, and no one else can tell me. No one else can bump because I'm fuck. No one else can tell me how to live my life. No one else can tell me how to do things right, cause as long as I feel it inside, I know. Thanks for helping me grow. What's up, pops? I got my kick game from you, so thank you. I love you, boo. Alright, that one was pretty easy because, you know, all I like to do is talk about my dad. I guess it's a lot easier to talk about things that you really... I think that one was like the most like consistent one of them all. But yeah, that's all I got for y'all today. Let me know what you think of the beat. Let me know what you think of the freestyle. Am I getting better? I think I'm going to put the playlist, if I could do that. I don't know how to do that. But yeah, I have a whole playlist of Freestyle Fridays where I'm trying to improve my flow. Don't be scared to check it out. Greatly appreciate it. And I really would appreciate notes and tips on how to do it. And don't be mean and be like, just quit forever, because that's not an option. I want to get better, you know what I'm saying? Maybe if I put on a hoodie, I'll get better. Who knows, whatever. Word Vomit is out. Do not forget. And I think starting next month, I'm going to change up the schedule of the videos. I want to give y'all a little more content and not just one video a week. Because I love y'all and I actually do enjoy doing this. The only thing I don't enjoy is editing, but that's it, y'all. Time to enjoy my Mickey Beats. I'm out.